Mixed reactions this evening from residents of Mount Salem and St. James about the extension of the zone of special operations in that area.
The lower house of Parliament yesterday approved a resolution for the extension of the ZOSO for the next 60 days.
We'll have a special look at the Mount Salem ZOSO in our current affairs program All Angles at 8:30 this evening. But first, our Western Bureau reporter Lanage Franklin has this report.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness has touted as a success the zone of special operations in Mount Salem, St. James. But even as he seeks an extension, crime and violence continue to raise its ugly head in neighboring communities. So far, 262 persons have been killed in St. James. Before ZOSO was declared in Mount Salem, 186 persons were murdered in the parish. That means since September 1, 76 persons have lost their lives in other sections of the parish. Some 138 illegal firearms have been recovered to date. Of that figure, 36 illegal guns were found since the implementation of ZOSO on September 1, and only 9 have been recovered in Mount Salem. The residents have raised serious concerns about what is happening in relation to crime outside of Mount Salem.
Soldier camp right at flank and people are dead right and people are dead at flank. I know say go. I know you saw alone them fi clamp down pan. We not say them can't patrol the place. But what? If you sit down, they put out ID. Every time you go to check in, you check out. You can't even go to shop. You have to talk where you go buy your soldier have to know if you don't buy 1 pound of flour or 1/4 pound of saltfish.
We still need to ask the security forces to look at the wider St. James. Yesterday alone in this very division, they were killing just over there in Tucker in broad daylight.
In pushing his case for a 60-day extension in the zone, the Prime Minister explained that the social intervention aspect of the initiative will now take effect. But not all are in agreement. 78-year-old pensioner PETGRAVE Woodrow, who rents his bar, says another 60 days will not be economical for him.
I can't get money to even buy food. 2 months I can't collect no rent. For nothing can sell. Everybody a ball. This morning me go man where the hardware, then my ball same way said they me have to lay a staff. 2 garage in here. And the funny thing, my stepson down my yard, me have to take him from Melbourne and shoot up all in room and then I go over there. And him come over for rescue. And then I left out and not go on.
Despite Marlene Smith losing her son in Mount Salem, she welcomes the extension of ZOSO.
You know, me feel good about that. Because it stopped the youth them from war. It don't me lose my son up here. You understand? But me feel good about the police them into the era.
Lanage Franklin, TVJ News.